Hey guys, it's me, Phil, again. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Philly Cheese. I'm your host, Chef Philly Cheese. We are going to make a very delicious dinner. The idea that we're doing is we're going to make a Crockpot spaghetti with meatballs. Now, our family, we're always on the go, especially on Sunday mornings when we have church. So an idea that we came up with was how awesome would it be to have a delicious, ready-to-eat crock-pot dinner as soon as we got home from church. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys what we're making. All right, guys, so the ingredients that we have for our crock-pot spaghetti and meatballs, here they are for you guys. We're going to have ground beef for the meatballs. We're going to have our pasta noodles. We have several seasonings here: garlic, parsley, basil, some other Italian seasonings. We have tomatoes and tomato sauce, half of an onion, and then we have some ingredients for the meatballs: breadcrumbs, cheese, Parmesan cheese, eggs, mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to have a nice garlic knots with it as well. Cooking that in the crock pot. So what we're going to do is we're going to start chopping some vegetables, including an onion. I actually got this brand new veggie chopper, and I'm excited to try it out. It has these blades right here, so I'm just going to set my onion down. And I'm just gonna, alright guys, so I chopped up my onions. I'm just gonna set those aside. Now I have 3 tomatoes here. I'm just gonna chop up these. Put them right here on my chopper. So we have all these tomatoes. We're just gonna set those aside. We're gonna store those overnight, and we're gonna use them for our sauce tomorrow morning. So we're going to start off with some ground beef and some eggs, some breadcrumbs, Italian seasonings, some garlic, Parmesan cheese. Just going to throw that together and mix it up. Keep mixing. Add in your onions. And now we're going to form those into meatballs. All right, once your meatballs are assembled, we're going to assemble those and put those back into the crock pot. So we're just going to start putting our meatballs into the crock pot like this. 3. We made about 10 meatballs. So our meatballs are ready to go. So now we're going to add our tomato sauce. So we have some chunky tomatoes we're going to add in there. Next, we're going to add some jarred spaghetti sauce and pour that over the meatballs as such. And the next thing we're going to do is add in our chopped tomatoes. We're going to add in some garlic, and we have several seasonings. We have oregano, basil, red pepper flakes. You're going to add those seasonings into the sauce and give it a nice stir. Stir that all together, and then you're ready to start your meal. We're going to add some parsley on top. Now we're going to cook this for 6 hours. And just been a few minutes and it's already looking good, smelling delicious. I'm so excited. All right, we're on our way to church. When we come back, we're going to have a very delicious crock-pot dinner waiting for us. We'll see you then. All right, so we have our spaghetti noodles. We're just going to crack those and stir those nice into your sauce. We're going to top it off with some mozzarella cheese.
let that cook for a little bit. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. I also assembled a nice salad.
Alright, so a nice little side dish that we have is we're gonna make these garlic knots. So we're just gonna put those out here on a baking tray. And we're gonna pop those in the oven. And they should be ready right when our pasta is done. Alright guys, so our food is ready. We've been working hard on this. Let's see what we got. Oof. I wish I could describe the smell. It is so delicious. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make Crockpot spaghetti meatballs for a Sunday dinner. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you for the next episode of Cooking with Chef Philly Cheese.